Hey guys, what's up? It's Mac and Jack begging for me to hold him. Today I'm going to take you guys with me to do a massive cleanup and I'm going to decorate for Easter. I am not decorating for St. Patrick's Day, even though it is super tempting, but I just usually don't decorate for it. Since I do celebrate Easter, I figure let's just go ahead and we're gonna clean the living room, the kitchen, which I have not done before. I've not done a video on that, but it needs to be cleaned. And I was like, you know what, we'll just go ahead and throw it in the video as well. So I hope you guys enjoy my cleaning videos. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. I do cleaning videos every few weeks. And I apologize, I look like a mess, you guys. My hair, woo, buddy. I'm waiting for the green to come out of it so I can bleach it again and then dye it green or whatever color I decide to do. So excuse the hair, but I like to be comfortable when I'm cleaning. So I got my glass of water, you guys. I'm set. Need to stay hydrated. I've got Roseanne going on the TV. Got the windows open. All right, I'm ready now. All right, you guys, here is the tub for my Easter decorations. I've got this giant cute little bunny that I found at Goodwill. I've got some hand towels in here, just some cute little Easter signs, some Easter eggs. So yeah, we've got this big old tub, so we're gonna try to use all of this today. All right, so the first thing I'm doing is just clearing off the table so I can spray Windex on it and wipe it off. Next, I'm going to take everything out of this tray and clean the bottom of it because it is a mirror and it gets really dusty. So I'm going to wipe that out, and then I'm going to put this adorable Easter bunny that I found at Goodwill in the center of the tray. But first, I wanted to replace the ribbon around its neck because it was very worn out. So I'm going to use this pink ribbon. I'm going to put these decorations beside it, and I got these from Hobby Lobby. Now I'm just putting all the placemats back. Alright, so I'm moving on to the living room on my little dresser here, and I'm just taking all these decorations down, and then I'm just going to wipe it with Windex. And then I'm going to put some Easter stuff out, and I've changed my mind several times, so I'm not really sure what I want to do yet, but I know that I want to add a lot of greenery and just really pretty springy looking stuff. And then I have these cute little chocolate bunnies to add. Now we're moving on to my little TV stand, and I'm just taking all the decorations off, and then I'm going to clean this with Windex, and then I will put some Easter decorations on here as well. I'm also going to clean behind my TV stand because a lot of dust and dog hair gets trapped in this little area, so that's what I'm doing right now. And then I will put my decorations on here. Time to move on to my dining room shelves, and I'm just dusting everything off with Windex, and I'm going to decorate these 3 shelves. I'm not going to add a lot of stuff, but I just want to make it look springy and very Eastery. On the top shelf, I'm going to keep this white stand and add this crown on here, and then I'm going to put this "He is Risen" sign. And then on the second one, I'm putting this cute bunny welcome sign and this little Easter bunny full of eggs, and then some greenery, and then a cute little welcome spring sign on the third shelf. Now we're moving on to the living room, and I'm just going to pick everything up so I can clean. And I'm just shaking this rug out that I keep on this ottoman. And I'm just going to clean this little tray off with Windex, and then I'll also just wipe this ottoman down. Then I'll wipe my couches down with these leather wipes. Now it's time to sweep, and I do apologize. It looks like it is snowing in here, but it is not. It is dust and dog hair. Jack sheds quite a bit, so I'm sorry about that, you guys. It's really easy to see everything with this ring light. I also need to clean my kitchen a little bit, so I'm just going to take you guys with me as I do that. I'm just clearing off the countertops, and then I'm going to clean it with this granite cleaner, and then I am just going to wipe everything down. Then I'm just going to load my dishwasher because it hasn't been done all day, so I'll get that out of the way before I do any more cleaning. So now I'm just moving to the other side of my countertops, and I'm just moving everything and cleaning behind it, just making sure I get all the crumbs off the counter, and then I'm just gonna dust everything off and clean where the faucet is because it gets pretty grimy. And then I will just clean my sink. All right, I am switching cleaners again. I'm using Spick and Span for my sink, and it works really good, you guys. So if you need something good for your sink, this is a really great go-to product. Guys, look at my cactus. Isn't it so cute? Now I'm back to using Windex, and I'm just cleaning this windowsill right here because it gets pretty dusty. And then I'm just going to use this to clean my faucet. Moving on to the front of my dishwasher, it gets really grimy. So I'm going to take some stainless steel cleaner and take a cloth and just wipe that down. I'm also going to wipe my cabinets down because it's been a while, and I do that with Windex and a paper towel. Last thing I'm going to do in the kitchen is just shake out these rugs because I'm about to sweep, and then I'll be done in here. And that is it for this video, you guys. This is what I ended up doing for the decorations. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please don't forget to like this video and comment and tell me what you thought about it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and Jack and I will see you guys in our next video. Jack, come say bye. Come here. Jack, say bye.